Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. Dusty here from thinktutorial.com. Today I'm going to show you how to add a picture, one of your own images, as a background image for your slideshow. So you can do this for individual slides or for the entire slideshow as a whole. So we'll show you how to do all of that. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and have your slideshow pulled up. I have one of the templates that come with PowerPoint that I've kind of added a little text to the first slide here. So what you're going to want to do is go to the search bar at the top there and then type in master, okay? And then go to slide master view. So if we go to slide master view or go to view right here and then go to slide master view, this is going to show us kind of the theme of our current slideshow. Now, if we want to add an image to this, what we would do is we would go and make sure that we have the master selected, which will be this guy here. So if we hover over the top slide over on the left here, number one, you can see this one is kind of orientated to the left over here. This is going to be your master slide. So what we can do now is we can right click and then we can go to format background. So right click on the master slide, go to format background, and then this is going to come up here that says format background. It's going to give us an option to fill it with a solid color. So we can go here and we can select a solid color for our background. And I got rid of some of the slide elements here just so you could see the background a little better. But what we're going to want to do is select the picture or texture fill here. And then what we're going to do is picture source, go to insert. So we're going to click insert here, and then we're going to insert a picture from a file. So go ahead and select from a file and then find the image on your computer or desktop. So I've got an image right here, and then select that image and then go to insert. And then as you can see now, it will now load this image as my background for all of my current and future slides for the slideshow. Now, once our image is inserted into our slideshow, we can see over here under format background that we actually have a couple of different options. We can actually go here and adjust the transparency. So if we want it to not show up as well, so we can change the transparency or opacity of the image. We can increase that or decrease that to, again, adjust the transparency. I'm going to leave mine at 0% just for the purposes of the video. We can actually tile the picture, so we can select this here to have it tiled. I really wouldn't do that. That's if you want to have an image kind of repeated on the background. Next, we can kind of adjust where we want that image to go. You can do that by just changing the percentages here, and it will adjust the offset left, right, top, or bottom. But normally you'll kind of want to leave it the way it is, maybe adjust the transparency a little bit. And then once you're done adjusting the image and you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and go to close master view. That's going to remove you from the master view or the master slide. And now you can see we have that image as a background in our slideshow. And then if we go here to the bottom of our slideshow here, so we go to the bottom of our slideshow, go to insert and then go to new slide, go ahead and go to blank slide. You can see here that the image is now going to be in every single one of our slides. Now, let's say you had a slideshow, but you only wanted to insert one of your images as a background for that specific slide. All right, and in order to do this with just a single slide as opposed to the whole slideshow, what we would do is we would select an individual slide over here in our timeline view. So we'd select that and we'd go to right click and then we would go to format background. And then just like we did in the master view, we would select picture or texture fill. And then we would insert that picture by going to insert and then from a file and then find that image on your desktop or wherever it is on your computer, select it, go to insert, and then now that image is going to be on that specific slide as opposed to the entire slideshow. Now when you go to insert, new slide, go to blank slide, it's not going to have that image as the background because you haven't set that to be the background on the master slide. So that's how you do it on an individual slide. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel for more great technology tutorials, and I will see you guys in the next video.